Hello and welcome to a paper chaser tutorial. If you are new to the channel, my name is Kathy. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for your continued support. Happy New Year to all, and what a great way to start off the year but with a Chinese New Year craft. Head over to paperchaser.to to get your printable template for this DIY. We're going to start off by making the tassels. Use some colored string like yarn or embroidery floss and wrap it around a fork. Cut the string with an extra 2-inch segment and set this aside. Using some thinner string, insert it through the top of the loop string on the fork. Here I'm using crochet thread in a size 10. Tie the ends of the thread and try to keep the knot as close to the end of the strand as possible. Pull on both sides of the thread to get the knot nice and tight. Trim off any excess thread. Now pull on the thread until the knot is hidden behind the loop string. With the knot here, it'll help form the top of the tassel. Now grab that 2-inch segment that we had set aside and thread it around the string between the first and second fork prong. Tie another knot here. Adjust the top of the tassel and ensure that the knot that we hid away is tucked in and unseen. I had to use a small crochet hook to help me with the tiny string ends. Now pinch the top of the tassel and tie your final knot in the thread. Again, using a crochet hook or a skinny stick helps out tremendously. Slide the knot as close to the top of the tassel as you can. This will help form the little cute ball on top of the tassel. Finally, we're going to trim the ends of the tassel and make sure the ends are straight and even. Your finished tassel is going to measure about 3¼ inches. With the printed and cut envelope template, we'll fold along all the creases as shown on the screen. You'll find all the print and cut instructions on my website. This template can be done completely by hand, but is also compatible with cutting machines like the Cricut. Use some double-sided tape, place it along the sides of the panel. The tape I'm using here is 1/4 inch wide. Taking your tassel, we'll thread it through the 2 holes on this front panel. Here, I'll thread it through the top hole from front to back, then through the bottom hole from back to front. Finally, we'll loop the entire tassel through and pull on the thread until it's tight. Peel off the double-sided tape backing and press into place. The finished envelope measures 3¼ inches squared and will fit a folded Canadian or US dollar bill. Pinch the latch and insert it through the slot to lock the envelope closed. And that is all for this envelope tutorial. I hope you've enjoyed it, and if there's anything you need help with, leave a comment below this video, or you can email me at contact@paperchaser.to. Thank you for watching. Until the next video, happy crafting!